So here, 3.5 TFT LCD Arduino UNO. Other things, 3.5, 3.3, and 5 volts. So if I look here, it goes something like that. The reset is on the top part. So it's okay. Anyway, so I have that put together. Exactly how real engineers, blah blah blah. Mounted perfectly. Let's walk through this from the very beginning. No assumptions. Plug the. Well, I would hope it's all firmly pressed down. You should already have installed. Yes, yes, yes. Optional later. We'll do that later. We're gonna install these. Now let's reinstall. File examples. MCU friend KBV. Diagnose TV TFT support. Open it. Set board to UNO. Set. Select then upload. Okay, upload. Then open the serial monitor. It should tell you the real ID of your. Okay, we'll let that go through. Upload a simple sketch. This one. This will wake up the screen. Draw white on a black background. Control Shift M. Okay, hold on. Diagnose equals copy. Control V. Control. Come on. Let's do that. I feel like I know what the problem was before. That should change, but whatever. Let's see what happens here. Built-in for exactly what I was hoping for. That's awesome. No hack needed. Fully supported. Amazing. Alright, then this one isn't necessary. Go to whatever, files, examples, MCU friend, graphic, test underscore KBV, open it. Where is it? It's over here. Graphic, set board to Arduino UNO, let's make sure, yep. Upload, it will fill the screen with colors, shapes, blah blah blah. Yeah, changing color. I mean, it's upside down, but then it like changes the screen. Red. Gray. I don't know, it looks blue on my phone. Oh, that's blue. Okay. And the other one is this way. Okay, green, and then back to red. Alright, then it cycles through that.